Welcome to Columbus Luxury Cars, where we make financing your dream car simple and stress-free. In this video, we'll walk you through the car finance process at our dealership. When you arrive at our showroom, one of our friendly and knowledgeable salespeople will greet you and guide you through our selection of high-quality used cars, trucks, and SUVs. Once you've selected the car you want, you'll head to our finance office to complete the financing process. Our experienced finance team will work with you to find the best financing option that fits your budget and credit history. We work with a variety of lenders to offer competitive rates and flexible financing terms, so you can choose the option that works best for you. Our finance managers will explain the loan terms and answer any questions you may have. Once you've decided on a financing option, our team will guide you through the paperwork and ensure that you have a complete understanding of the loan terms before you sign. Finally, once everything is complete, you'll receive the keys to your new car and drive off our lot feeling confident and excited about your purchase. At Columbus Luxury Cars, we strive to make the car financing process as easy and transparent as possible. Visit us today and let us help you finance the car of your dreams.